Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Back to School Week video. Today I have a really cool layered card for you. This is my Welcome Back layered card. How fun is this design? You have that chalkboard back there with the Welcome Back written on it. You have the globe, some paper, and a little apple, the ball, and then the graduation cap right here at the top. Just really fun. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really fun to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Back to School Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score. Highlight the group and attach, and we need to do the same thing to the card base. Now that we have the score lines converted for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make, and you can see the mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is layer up the front cover panel. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to do this, but from back to front, you're going to start with the dark green, brown, light green, blue, pink, and then dark blue. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all finished. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And we can set that to the side. Let's grab our card base. We're going to fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close up the card base and we can attach the front cover panel. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so it can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this one really easy to put together? I really think that the kids would like this one. I hope that you make it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Back to School Week video. Bye-bye.